Enjoy luxury living in the gated community of High Forest Ranch, which is located on the north end of Colorado Springs near Monument. Welcome to 4215 Hidden Rock Road. This stunning walkout rancher is nestled in the trees on 3 acres. It's quiet, it's serene, and there's the perfect match of trees and natural light that shines through. The home offers 6,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and RV parking. This is a true craftsman home. You'll notice wood features and details throughout, wood crown molding, beautiful cabinets and counters, and tons of upgrades and finishes that a true discerning eye will appreciate. Let's take a look. The open entryway leads directly into this beautiful sitting area, which has a stone fireplace and opens to the formal dining area. You'll appreciate that it feels open and it's light and it's bright with high ceilings and lots of wood accents, including crown molding. Also off the main entry is this beautiful home office that features built-in wood cabinets, a tray ceiling, and even more wood crown molding. This would be a perfect place to work from home. From the beverage station and large walk-in pantry, you enter the heart of the home, which is this beautiful gourmet kitchen. You'll see 6-burner gas range, lots of cabinet and counter space, beautiful granite, and it opens directly to an eat-in nook and a cozy family room that centers around a gas-burning fireplace. You can enjoy breakfast either in the nook or out on your patio as you see the tranquil water feature and enjoy the peaceful pines. The primary master suite offers 2 separate vanities, a large soaking tub with jets, a walk-in shower with 2 separate heads, and plenty of storage space. Imagine taking a bath after a long day and looking out at that view. The walkout basement is perfect for entertaining. You have another family area that's centered around a cozy wood-burning fireplace, an area that's perfect for games, a wet bar, and 3 additional bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Imagine entertaining family and friends down here for the holidays and any time of the year.